Have you noticed HVAC prices skyrocketing lately? That's because many HVAC companies have been bought out by big Wall Street investors, focused more on profit than people. At A+ Air Conditioning, Heating and Refrigeration, we're different. We're family-owned and operated, right here in your community. We're licensed, insured, and provide professional HVAC services at honest, fair prices. Serving Collin County and surrounding areas, we specialize in sales, service, and installation of heating and cooling systems for your home or business. Contact us today at 945-237-5986 or visit aplusaircondition.com. That's A+ Air, where comfort meets integrity.